Select the horizontal type tool and pick a font with connecting letters. If some letters are not connected, you can set the kerning between these characters. Select the Move tool and press Ctrl+T. Make sure the text covers the entire canvas from left to right. Open the first file you want to use, and drag the photo towards the document with the text. Place this layer below the text layer. Press Ctrl+T. Move and resize the photo so it covers the entire top part of the text. Open the second file you want to use, and drag the photo towards the document with the text. Make sure this layer is placed directly below the text layer. Press Ctrl+T. Move and resize the photo so it covers the entire bottom part of the text. Add a layer mask. Select the brush tool. I use a hard round brush. Opacity 100%. Make the foreground color black. Brush over the areas of the photo that you want to remove. And that's how you create this effect.